Okay, good morning to all of you. Welcome all of you e-extension class. Boys and girls, hope you are all doing well. Today we'll discuss about the interactive oblique information oblique agri kiosk. Look, there is a tremendous progress in the field of information and communication technology. With the development of science and technology, new tools for the farming community is coming, and agri kiosk, interactive kiosk, information kiosk is like that. It is one of the ICT tools which is working nicely for the farming community. Now I will ask Abhishek, can you tell me what do you mean by agri kiosk? Abhishek?
Yes, sir. सर कियोस्क एक्चुअली इट इज जो सर बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन हमें प्रोवाइड करता है सर। इसमें हमें किसी व्यक्ति की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती, हमें सीधा इंफॉर्मेशन एक मशीन के द्वारा हम ले सकते हैं सर।
Okay,
तो
very
ये
good.
बेनिफिशियल है।
Acha, let us back to Neha. Neha, can you add something regarding the agri kiosk?
Yes, sir. Kiosk is a small storefront or booth in which some जिसके थ्रू हम सर कुछ मैगजीन्स न्यूज़पेपर रिलेटेड हम ले सकते हैं विदाउट एनी हेल्प ऑफ पर्सन.
Okay. Swati, can you
ओके।
add? Swati, can you add? Okay, let us come to the point. Look, an interactive kiosk is a computer terminal featuring specialized hardware and software designed with a public exhibit that provides access to information and application for communication, commerce, entertainment, and education. So, an interactive kiosk is a computer terminal. Why we are telling it a computer terminal? That is the computer point from which we get the information from the machine, and that machine can help us to an interactive kiosk is the terminal. When we are telling about the terminal, it means it is the point from where we can get the necessary information for the number of purposes, like the, as I told you, communication, commerce, entertainment, and education is the general perspective. Now thing is that what is interactive? Interactive means whenever I put any instruction to a machine, machine will reciprocate to me as like the human interaction. Say for example, I am asking Swati a question and Swati answered to me, then I can say it is the interactive way of communication. Now look, also in commerce, why we are telling about the commerce? Look, as you go to any shopping mall, there you will find some touch screen option where you can choose your items, you can choose your commodities, you can choose your product, and accordingly you can work on it. Next, it is about the entertainment. Why entertainment is more important in the perspective of why entertainment is more important in the perspective of interactive kiosk. It is because that entertainment is a part of our life. We also want some amusement in our life. So that case, kiosk can play some important role in our entertainment. How, say for example, one display of having the provision of touchscreen, having 21-inch display, there some entertainment material may be there, and there you can, by touching, you can get the content and enjoy yourself. Not only that, in education also, you will find some university in developed nation, some developed institution within the India will find some touch screen option. By simply by touching, one can look what are the courses available to that institution. Not only that, what are the facilities available that institution, that will display in the kiosk. Now look, AgriKiosk is a one-stop shop for all agriculture needs, provide service such as soil testing, seed selection, appropriate pesticides, herbicide, and fungicide. AgriKiosk also provide the latest agriculture equipment on rent, which make it easily accessible for women farmers also. Now, AgriKiosk, that's mean AgriKiosk, the in general term we can say it is the kiosk, and AgriKiosk, that's mean it will particularly related to the agriculture related service that need to be support, that can be support to the farming community. Say for example, soil testing. Look, soil testing is the integral part for any farming activities, and if the soil is being tested properly and its result is available, then it becomes easy for the farmers to grow the crop. Now thing is that how kiosk can support the farmer in soil testing. You know that present context government of India one program soil health cards, and soil health card system, it is totally online system. Once if you like to test his soil, and for that reason there is a procedure starting from the sample collection to the delivery of the soil health card to the farmers, all are being captured in web platform, and the farmers can access his soil health card from the kiosk. And seed selection, look, next part after the soil testing, it is about the selection of the seed, because if one have the good quality seed, he can expect the good quality yield or sufficient yield of each crop. So seed selection play important role, and selection of the seed mean variety which fit in the context. And as we know, each and every agroclimatic zone have some selected seed varieties for a particular crop, and through the kiosk a farmer can easily access that seed in its context, and can work properly. Now appropriate pesticide. Pesticide, that's mean the crop is suffer from number of insect pest, and that insect pest need to be managed, and for management of the insect pest, pesticide required to be applied. Now while application of pesticide, number of things need to be considered. First it is about the identification of the pest, next it is about the selection of the pesticide, next it is about the dose of the pesticide, next it is about the time of application of pesticide, next it is about the frequency or number of spray need to be applied to the crop field. So these things can be easily simulated in the kiosks for the crops, say for example rice, wheat, maize, vegetable, for all those things farmers can easily access these things. Now the herbicide and fungicide, these are the part of the pesticides that also work for management of the crop. Now thing is that not only the pesticide, but it is also, as we know, farm mechanization is another important domain for which we all are concerned about, and we also know that gradually number of farm movements also increasing. So this case role of agricultural extension, particularly for the farm movement by women farmers, become important. So there is a need to consider to give some information into the kiosk for the farm movements, particularly some areas apart from the agriculture, like the mushroom cultivation, some handicrafts works, those can be support to the farmers through the kiosks. Now we'll discuss about the better access to information that lead to the higher income for small farmer. Better of access of information. What kind of information? Market information, climate and disease information, good agricultural practice related information, and this help to farmer get the higher price. Now if you look this diagram, how this diagram is moving and assist the farmers for getting the better price. Look, market information, say for example, we know that farmers grow rice, wheat, maize, different type of vegetables, and for getting the good price farmers need market related information, which we can say briefly market intelligence. And market intelligence, it is about the price of their produce, so that the farmer can bargain with the middleman for getting the higher price. Not only that, farmers can think about to sell their produce in the distance market for getting the higher price. Next, it is about the better access to extension service. Look, extension service always farmer wants. I have told, or I have already discussed with all of you. In present context, we have the public extension delivery system and private extension delivery system. Now, Navanita, I am asking to you, can you give the example of public extension system? Because
Yes, sir. Sir, state agriculture universities, KVKs, this Atma, etc. Sir.
okay, these are the example of the public extension delivery system. Pankaj, I am coming to you. Can you tell me the example of private extension system? Pankaj?
Yes, sir. NGO, sir.
Yes, NGO,
Sir,
NGO.
dist fertilizer distributor, seed distributor.
Yes, yes, yes. They are the
Yes,
agri. We can say shortly. We can say briefly. The agri input dealers are also example of the public extension delivery systems. And
yes,
ultimately, if we make the better access to extension service to the farmers through the kiosk, that will lead to the lower transaction, logistic and distribution cost. And ultimately, that will help the farmer getting the better price. Now, better market link and distribution network, better market link and distribution network that can be achieved direct link between farmer, supplier and buyer. I repeat, direct link between farmer, supplier and buyer. Direct link between farmer, that is who produce the crop, supplier, we can say the middleman. Next it is the buyer. Swapna, as we are from the economics background, as you know, in the very structure of the market, starting from the production of agriculture produce to the reaching it to the buyers, how it work? Can you add, Swapna? So let us think about the better recording account and traceability. It is another issues in the marketing aspect. Why better recording, accounting and traceability? Because your product, farmer's product, which is already available in the crop in the field, that need to be reached to the buyer, and in between that some recording, accounting and traceability of the farmer produce is important. How? Say for example, in present context, we know in online marketing system, so many product, agriculture produce or commodities are available. Now, how this product or commodities is moving, that also need to be understand. And here, your system can supply to the farming community. Now let us move to the better access to finance. Uh, that can lead to the opportunity for financial institution. Better access to finance means, look, farmer needs the financial support, and what are the sources of the financial support? Pankaj, can you add something about the financial sources, or from where the farmers get the financial or the loan, we can say, get in the rural domain?
Sir, from bank by KCC, Kisan Credit Card.
Okay, very nice. Look, bank, Kisan credit card, these are the some government institution. Those are support the farmers for getting the some financial support in the form of the loan, or government also sometimes give a subsidy, and it information need to be reached to the farmers. Until it needs to the farmers, then how the farmer will be able to access this? Say for example, a farmer is, as we know, our near to our university, English Farka is there. The farmer, if the farmer are not aware about what are the financial opportunity in the form of loan, credit, or subsidies available, then how they can be able to access. So these are the issues. Those are part of the total system of kiosk which need to support in the system. Yeah, why I am telling so? Look, say for example, government launch new credit card system or Kisan credit card system, and says farmer visit the agriculture university and find a kiosk, and that is come in the flash news for Kisan credit card. Government is now in possession under the COVID-19. So government is ready to support the farmer, and they are in position to waive some loan, or ready to government give some more amount of money in the form of subsidy or in the form of loan. And if it is flash repeatedly in the kiosk, naturally it will draw the attention of the farmer. Yes, something new is coming, so why should not I try to get this benefit? Now let us move to the ecosystem of our kiosk, farmer, economics, and social, because all those things need to be ecosystem. Now thing is that what is ecosystem? Ecosystem mean the system that relate all the appendage unit or access point. Say for example, here farmer, economics, and social aspect, because we cannot think the farmer in isolation. They are the part of the national economic policy, they are the part of the social system. Look, at present context, we are facing the most acute problem for not only the India, throughout the world, regarding the COVID-19, and social distance is the become the rule, or we can say the social distance may in future become the norms. And but farming we cannot restrict that case. What precautionary measure farmers will take, and at the same time they can go for the farming, that need to be mentioned. And for that reason, kiosk to some extent can assist the farmers, like that. Why they have to be use the mask, what is the meaning of the social distance, what precautionary measures they should take, this can be available in kiosk. Next is IT awareness to farmers. IT awareness, that is the information technology awareness to the farmers. Look, the if we say WhatsApp, now the WhatsApp became such a buzzword, it reached to the grassroots level also. And the farmers, those are not so much educated, they are also using the WhatsApp. So this is one type of IT awareness. Similarly, we have to be make some effort for the kiosk. And as we know, the a farmer visit to a bank, there he will find also kiosk for the very purpose of what? Very purpose of updating his passbook or saving account books, for that purpose. And this is the one example of the kiosk. Similarly, in agriculture domain, we have to be escalate to increase the number of kiosks. Set up kiosk infra in a village. That means in village level we have to be develop the kiosk. Next, use of kiosk for better farming. For better farming mean it is about to increase the yield of the crop, so that increase the income of the farmers. So that case, what we can do, say for example, in our university nearby area, we all know English, Farka are there. So in Gram Panchayat, we can install a kiosk and we can update the farmers with the crop grown in that particular area. Say for example, in our project, in my own project, in ICT project, we visited number of times in that particular area. We find that there the farmers grow wheat, to some extent maize, and also number of vegetables. And if we provide the information in the form of kiosk and that is make available in the government office, and whenever the farmer visit that government office and look, yes, these are the crops and that information is available, naturally the farmer can try to access those information. Now farmer to e-farmer, farmer to e-farmer means that is the from the farmers, those are not capacity have up to the level to access the information technology through the provision of the training. We should have to be improve their capacity, we should improve their capability to access the electronic forms of information availability, and that capacity building ultimately lead to the farmers to become the e-farmers. Next, India is a developed country. As we know, India is transformed to the developed country. So a developed country, information technique play important role. That should not be only for the IT professional, it should be equally penetrate, it should equally distributed, it should equally reach every corner of the nation up to the rural level, so that farmer can get the benefit of information technology. Now let us look agriculture kiosk model. I think what are the information one can get from the a kiosk, that is the some one example. Look, what are the information market strategy. First thing, market strategy, we can input market value ups and down. Market value ups and down, that means the price of the vegetable, price of the wheat, price of the maize, how it is fluctuating, and that should be informed to the farmer. Next, general information. Now I move to Pankaj. Can you tell me what are the general information a farmer may need for himself? They have general information may need related to the education and so on. Pankaj?
Sir, general information uh, like sir when to sir sir weather forecasting.
Yes, weather related information is a general aspect, education related information. So not only
Yes
that,
sir.
they also need some amusement related information in the life. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes
not
sir.
only that, farmer also need land, government policies, subsidies, NABARD rules, because NABARD play important role. Particularly NABARD is created for the rural development, agricultural development in India. And
Yes.
so their program, yeah, as you know, the farmer producer organization, as you know, I think you all know about the farmer producer organization. I am asking Navanita, I think you have know about the idea of the farmer producer organization, because farmer producer organization play important role in present context, and NABARD is encouraging farmers to become the member of farmer producer organization. And farmer producer organization can play important role. How farmer producer organization play important role in present context? Look, at present context, we have a large number of small and marginal farmer. So small and marginal farmer need support in relation to the marketing. In relation to the marketing, small and marginal farmer need support. And for financial support, for getting the financial support, uh, they can use the farmer producer organization. How? The NABARD make it provision. That's simply one example. Say for example, a farmers group of farmers, maybe 500 farmers of the Baka district in Parbat village or the block, we can say also. They make a farmer producer organization. I have some experience with that place. They have made the farmer producer organization for production of seed and marketing. So that case they can use, and that case also kiosk also helpful for the farmers. How? Now whatever the information that FPO farmer producer organization have, they can upload in the kiosk and farmer can easily access it. Now the agriculture information, crop, seed, pesticide, fertilizer, best practices, irrigation related, water resource, irrigation, water weather forecasting, and so on. Now look, in present context, weather forecasting become more important, because if a farmer aware about the weather condition, whether there is a chance of rain, then farmer can take the proactive role. Particularly, you just imagine the context of the situation during the harvesting period of wheat and maize. During the harvesting period of the wheat and maize, if the farmer become aware, yes, there is a next 24 hours, there is a chance of the heavy shower, then naturally farmer will take proactive role to control, to harvesting his crop. Now, not only that, in present context, animal product like the fish, poultry product, dairy product get its momentum. And not only that, this is the good source of the income of the farmers. So kiosk also gives some opportunity for the farmers for it. And also the exports, relation to the export, the kiosk can play some important role. Why? Look, you may know that the maize which is produced in the Bihar, that also exported to the South Africa also, Bangladesh also, Nepal also. If the farmer aware about, yes, my product in the form of maize is reaching to the South Africa, reaching to the Bangladesh, Nepal, that case he may bargain for the higher price of his produce. Now let us, what is kind of agriculture information get available. We can say plant protection measures, nutritional benefit, their management, symptom of various pests and disease, uh, video clipping on various agriculture. Particularly, I will discuss about in to some extent details video clipping on various agriculture technology. Look, as we know, in our university, we have number of technical film for different type of crops. Not only the crops, we have the technical film of for goatry, poultry, butter, and so on. And these video clips can assist the farmer to learn about the crop, to learn about the husbandry of the animals. And not only that, this also encourage, and not only that, to the farmer also, young youth, rural youth can come forward for this, that yes, I can also do something with this agriculture revenue, and income can be increased. Now major initiative, ICT, ITC, ECHOPOL, CIC, CSE, ISRO, VRC, NABARD, MS Swaminathan, Village Knowledge Center, Rural Internet Kiosk, Gandut, also our own university ICT initiative. Some aspect, just is the practical aspect how this kiosk work. I am giving some example. What is touchscreen system? What is touchscreen kiosk? How the information get available on the kiosk? Particularly, information get available on the kiosk. This is quite important. Look, Navanita, are you listening me? Look, that information, making information available to the kiosk is the important for the success. Why? Now, when a farmer try to get the information, when a farmer would like to try to get information from a kiosk, that means information need to be feed. Now question is the how we can feed the information. Two way you can do it. One is the online form, another is the offline format. Online format and offline format. Online format means what? That means it will be connected with the web world, and information is gradually uploaded and farmer can access. Offline mode means where there is a problem of internet, that case information is pre-designed mode, uploaded in the kiosk, and farmer will get it from it. And this look the ETIC Agriculture Technology Information Center. It is the ICR initiative, one-stop solution in each and every we can say each and every kiosk, every ETIC, there is a provision. There should be some provision for the installation of the kiosk. Now let us look form of kiosk. CSC. This will be the ownership should be go to the village level entrepreneur. G2C. G2C means government to citizen, B2C business to citizen, and E-Gram, that is panchayat level. Panchayat manage the service through the contact, employment, select for the village. KVK in our system, agriculture system, KVK have also the kiosk, and from farmer visit to the kiosk, visit to the KVKs, and they access the information. VRC system is the ISRO collaboration with NGO trust. They are working particularly telemedicine, teleeducation, watershed management, government to citizen, agriculture information, so on. So, to be conclude, uh, it is imperative, it is important, it is essential to remember that success of kiosk depend on success on the backward linkage. Backward linkage means if we are in provision to provide the information regularly, if we are in position to upload information regularly to the kiosk, then the kiosk will be appealing to the farming community. Otherwise, it should have, otherwise, it should not have much more appeal to the people. So, now only the tell why we need kiosk.
The kiosk is a huge storage of information so that farmers can get those information by clicking any key points or something, and it will be very helpful to available the information to every farmer.
Now, Pankaj, how kiosk can help in agriculture?
Said kiosk can help by giving information about marketing, by weather forecasting, by government policies, and sir, about new information which in technology, new machine which comes in present context. This type of information
Okay,
is given by kiosk.
okay, very nice. Swati, do you think farmer can benefit from the kiosk system?
Yes, sir. Farmers can be very benefited from kiosk system as it provide information regarding weather and also agricultural crops like and seeds, pesticides, and many other information about subsidies and loans. Also, also it helps farmers to reduce to decrease middleman so that the farmers can get direct benefit. Uh, that's all.
Acha, Ajad, how kiosk can help illiterate farmer?
There are many phases. Like Swati says that in seed production, seed selection, fertilizer uses, meteorologically uses. There are many ways that can be used to uh, obtain the information through kiosks and get information by the farmer, and that can be easily applied in the field and we get benefit in output. And also there are some schemes of government like weather forecasting, irrigation related, and some schemes like sir kisan credit card schemes. These also gives information how to get these schemes and how when to get, and other in another form like sir crop insurance scheme, irrigation schemes, all these information that can easily available. But
Okay,
now
very good.
these days, but sir now these days the kiosk is not in in according to me, sir, each and every block must be contain one kiosk, otherwise no importance. But I know only certain, I just know I'm an agriculture student, but I know in KVK last time in Kisan Mela, before I don't know, just a few knowledge about kiosk. Sir, something advertisement, lack of advertisement at that time of kiosk. In when we go to the village, I know there is a no one knows about the kiosk. There is a some problem issues of advertisement of kiosk. They must be done. These things are good, but in our university that is not completed to go through work these things like kiosk
Okay,
for
exactly. We are
particular.
in process. We are in process already. Kiosk data uploading is going on. Hopefully, actually, due to the COVID, installation is to some extent delayed. But hopefully, in future, after lifting of the this lockdown, hopefully, we'll be able to reach more number because KVKs with the kiosk. Now, I'm going to the Neha. Can you tell me how the Neha,
Yes, sir.
so can you tell me how the tasking system is essential
Yes,
in
sir.
present
Sir,
context of
I
the
can't
kiosk?
hear. Sir, please repeat the questions.
How task screen is essential? Why task screen is essential for? Okay, boys and girls, hope you will do well.